Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Discover It. In this video, we will discuss about combustion and flame. This is Arya and today we will discuss about the chapter 6, okay, named combustion and flame. I have covered this theory and keywords, okay. If you want this, you have to go on Let's Discover It home and search it. There is a video on it, okay. First answer of a chapter 6 for question number first answer is combustion can take place in the presence of a combustible substance, oxygen, that is support of combustion, attention of attainment of ignition temperature of the substance, okay. Question number 2 is first is pollute, second is LPG, third is ignition temperature, and fourth is water. Fourth is water. Third number question answer is the use of CNG in automobiles gives out less carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide gas, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, which is major threat of causing global warming. It do not leave waste after combustion. Differentiate between LPG and wood. LPG, it is a liquid fuel, wood, it is a solid fuel. It gives 55,000 kilojoule per kg. It gives 22,000. It do not produce waste. It produce waste after combustion, okay. It can be easily transported as stored in cylinder. It cannot be transported easily like LPG fuel. Fifth number. First is question answer is because water is good conductor of electricity may shock to person who is extinguish fire. Second is yes, LPG is better fuel than wood because it give out less CO2, nitrogen oxide and carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide gas, which is the major threat of causing global warming, and it do not left any waste after burning. Question number 6, you have to draw a diagram of a candle flame. I have drawn it. Please see and drawn in your copy, or you take the help of picture that is given in your book, or if you have no book then search PDF in Google and take the help of that. Seventh number answer is kJ kg, okay. Fifth has 3 questions A, B and I have written C here, okay. C, as its ignition point of paper is low, so it catch fire, but a piece of paper wrapped in aluminium pipe, the heat get absorbed by aluminium pipe and the piece of paper do not get its ignition temperature. So 8 number, CO2 is a heavy gas than oxygen if it form a blanket around the it form blanket around fire, because of which the supply of water is supply of air is stopped and the oxygen is not able to go in, so the fire will extinguish. Ninth number, the green leaves hold some amount of water, so its ignition temperature get increased and it does not burn easily. On the other hand, dry leaves are waterless, so they catch fire easily. 10th number, a goldsmith used the outermost zone of the flame, which is non-luminous, to melt gold and silver because it is the hottest zone and having more temperature. 12th number, the process of rusting emit heat during the formation of its oxides, so we call the process of rusting as slow combustion. 13th number, Ramesh, because he used the outermost layer of the flame with more temperature, which consists more temperature, okay. We will meet in next video, okay. From this side area, thank you.